Tesla's software update has enabled the seamless synchronization of the Cybertruck's off-road Lightbar with its light show, displaying choreographed white and amber LED patterns, timed to music, creating a dynamic visual effect for a 90-second spectacle. This feature builds on Tesla's December 2024 multi-vehicle light show capabilities, highlighting advanced LED control that enhances user customization without hardware changes. The off-road Lightbar is typically used for off-road illumination, and is now synchronized with the Cybertruck's light show, which is timed to music. Enthusiasts have praised the innovation, noting the seamless integration and the visual appeal of the light show. The Cybertruck's ability to perform such light shows is facilitated by its advanced LED control systems, which are managed through over-the-air software updates.